Okie dokie, here we go. Okay, this is a set that I've always wanted, but couldn't afford, but didn't want to pay the stupid, ridiculous prices they charge in Turkey for it. And I managed to get it in sale, which I'm so happy about. Here we go. It's the Loop coaster, and it just fits in camper frame. Awesome. Always wanted it, and really looking forward to doing this build. Here's the side of the box, and I'll be back. There we go. And then there's the back of the box, which shows you it's powered up. And yes, I did get the powered up stuff. So get the box, go, one motor and one battery pack. Or whatever. There we go. One battery pack and one motor. So ready to be powered up. This is going to be a really interesting build. I need to put this down. Okay. Really looking forward to doing this. Like a kid at Christmas. Oh, it's nearly Christmas. It's Thanksgiving today, so I'm giving thanks. I'm going to open the box and chuck it all over the table, and you can see what it's like, and then I'll stop the video to sort the bags out, because I think it's going to take a while to sort these bags, and then I'll come back. So let's see, cut the box open first. Okay, what have we got? We got 3 bits of tape. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Wow. Okay. First thing we are faced with is a box. Okay. One box, and then a ton of bags. So this box will have bags in it as well. Let's tip it out. Oh. Yo, and they all stayed on the table. Oh wow, that was impressive. Okay, so that's only half the bags. Yeah, then we've got another box. There's 3,756 pieces to this set. So again, one of the biggest ones that I've done. Manual. I'm not going to empty the other bags because there's no room. Just show you the manual, which will also have a sticker sheet right there. So that's cool. Get it up the right way might be, well, it's actually stuck all over the place, so that's cool. One sticker sheet. Nearly knocked my coffee cup over. Oh my god, it's like War and Peace. Look at it. How thick that thing is. Oh my god, is there anything else? No. Okay. Right, so let's have a look. Gives you like the history of all the different fairground rides. I have got the Haunted House. That's interesting. That was 2020. I haven't got any of the others, which I would love to get, but I can't. And then we got the Loop coaster. Okay. All right. So let me show you this. Okay. So it's kind of like a timeline for the first one. Ooh, the fairground rides. God, that's so heavy, this book. It's ridiculous. And then here's the information on this one. Okay. And then after that, it goes straight into building. Okay. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah. Okay. So bag 1 is all the minifigures. Awesome. Bag 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the base and the loop parts, and then bag 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is the actual kind of like the lift section. Right, so let me show you in here. It's really difficult holding this book without ripping it to pieces. There we go. So bag 1 here, here. Bag 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 over there. And there's some more minifigures in this one here. 3 more. So you've got them on the first bag, and the last bag. Awesome. How many steps? Let's have a look. This will be interesting. Steps. Okay, it tells me about the powered up. So hopefully I'll be able to do that as a separate video for those that want to get this or have got this set but haven't got it powered up. Steps. 672 steps. 672. Okay, so it's going to take me a while. I'm going to do this in my own time. What I'll try and do is do like not a video, but maybe like a photo. Okay, this is the bag 1 minifigs bit, and then whatever. I'll make my mind up as I go along, like I normally do. So, information about this set. It is the Loop Coaster, Lego Icons, 18 plus, 3,756 pieces. 2022 is when it was brought out, and the set number 10303. It says an immersive build packed with twists and turns. Relive the thrill of the fun fair as you build all the details of this Lego Loop Coaster. A great addition to the Lego Fun Fair collection. The model is the first Lego roller coaster to include 2 loops, inspired by some of the world's most exciting roller coasters. This impressive set for adults includes an array of authentic details. Wow. Okay, yeah, so hopefully it's going to be powered up and working before Christmas, but I don't know. I'm sure I can put this somewhere in my Christmas village, but we'll see. I've also got to try and keep this fairly clear for continuing on my Christmas stuff, but it's only Advent calendar stuff now, I think. So anyway, thanks for watching the intro. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Appreciate all the help you can give me, and I'll see you when it's done, or when I think, oh, let's do a quick video of this bit, blah blah blah. Okay, I'll see you in the future Tom Opsman. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Right then, so here we go with the set. This was really cool build. Sorry about all the stuff in the back. Like, I just cannot have, I have not got the space to have another studio just for things like this. Because this thing is huge. Oh my God, so big. I've got the motor attached to it right now, which I will show a video of in a second. I can do that manually. I'm just going to show you some of the details. So we've got the minifigs in the carts ready to go on the roller coaster, and there goes my phone. Right, here we go. Here's the set finished, minifigs and all. Got the balloon cart bicycle with the balloon animals on the side, which I thought was a really cool touch. And also he's got his inflator for the balloons there on the side, so that's cool. He's the guy Nice and colourful with balloons all over him. Would be nice if he would focus. Hello. So he's quite cool. Then we have the kind of woman I've sat on the bench with the roller coaster sign. Roller coaster sign's quite cool. I like that. Kind of shows you the layout. Here we go. So he's good, that's good. Little squirrel, of course. Then we've got the pretzel seller, which is this girl over here with the stripy top. And the little boy's already got his pretzel. That's the trolley, that's mum hiding. Then we've got the hot dog stand with the employee who actually sells them. And then we've got two other figures there waiting for their hot dogs. Then we have the entrance, which has got like a, are you tall enough to ride? Don't wear baseball hats, don't carry balloons, don't eat hot dogs, and no squirrels allowed. I thought that was quite a nice little comic touch. And then we've got a balloon stuck up here, which is kind of cool. This bit was a real surprise. I'd forgotten that this was actually going to be part of it. This is like where they queue up to get on their lanes. There's some photos at the back that are upside down of people screaming from this camera over here, right there, catching the people on this here. Anyway, that's what it's supposed to be, I think. Nice little palm tree, which is cool. Would have been nice to have had more. This is very sturdy, but there are instructions on how to lift this set and move it, so you know that's a bit of a worry, but it does look really, really cool. And building that took ages. Not as long as building these, of course, which are the links. If I can focus, for the chain that goes all the way around. There's 222 links, I think, and they are tiny, tiny little things. Anyway, so then we've got what other things? We've got some flowers and stuff scattered around, which is kind of cool. The loop itself is very, very sturdy. I was very impressed with this. I was a bit scared to first start this. We've got these steps leading up to the actual entrance or the queue. You can't really see everything, but there's a lot of stuff going on in this set. It's really, really cool. Right, so what we've got currently is this motor. There we go. Stand back a bit. Up you go. Do that again. Catch it properly this time. Up, 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 up. It's quite cool. I like that. Let's stop it. Boom. Okay. So, this little wheel here is turned to push. Sorry. This little wheel here is turning to push the cart down to here. This stops the cart going off. If I take the motor off, if I can do this one-handed, would be interesting. There we go. So, yeah, you can do it by hand, okay? So, if I do this, okay, right, up he goes. So you don't need the motor. You can crank it if you want by hand. It's just a pain. So it does work the same. Then you can bring it back down again, which is a lot better than the bring down of the motor. And then you will see as it comes down, it releases this. Then you turn, and away we go. So, that's the function of it. I have no idea where I'm going to put this, but I'm going to put it somewhere, obviously. Give you a close-up of all the side builds and minifigs if I can, by moving them a little bit, just so you can see everything close up. There we go. So, there.
No! God, please, no! No!